Welcome to this new lecture of natural language processing with Python. In this lecture, we will learn language translation. You might have used Google Translation before, which gives the exact translation of word in another language. Actually, this is an example of a language translation model or a machine translation model. In Python, we can use TextBlob library to translate text from one language into another language. TextBlob provides a method called translate in which you have to pass text in the source language. Then the method will return the translated word in the destination language. Let's look at how this is done. For this, we do an exercise. In this exercise, we will make use of TextBlob library to translate a sentence from Spanish into English language. It means we have given a Spanish sentence and then we have to convert this Spanish sentence into English sentence. Okay. Now we import the class TextBlob from TextBlob library and run the cell. And then we define a function translate, and its first parameter is text and its second parameter is from underscore 1 and to 1. First parameter is a sentence which we want to, this is our source language, and from 1 means this tells us which language our source sentence is written, and to 1 in this language, in this, and the text, and we convert the text into this language. Okay. Now we create a object of class TextBlob and pass our text our text into this, and then it will return, and in return section or in the line of return code en underscore block call a translate function and give language 1 to another. Then we call translate function and pass the first parameter our text, and its from underscore 1 means this text is written into this language. Es means Spanish language, and we convert this language. This is our target language. It's mean en. It's mean we convert our text which is written in Spanish. We want to convert in English language. Now we convert this text into English language. So it's mean very good. It's mean this Spanish sentence translation is very good. Star word removal. Star words such as you already know, as such as M, the, and are all called stop words, which are frequently found in the text data. Although they help us construct sentences properly, we can find the meaning even if we remove them. This means that the meaning of text can be inferred even without them. So removing star words from text is one of the pre-processing steps in natural language processing tasks. In Python, NLTK and TextBlob, text can be used to remove star words from text. To get better understanding of this, let's look at an exercise. So first exercise, import NLTK library, then download the funct algorithm, and then import the method word underscore tokenize from library NLTK. So run this library, define make a variable sentence and store this text data into this variable. And now we write a function and remove the star words by matching the words of these lists. Okay, we define a function remove underscore stop underscore words. Its first parameter is text, where from star words are removed will be removed, and stop underscore word underscore list is the list of words or star words which is matching with original text. Okay, this line. First, we tokenized the text, we tokenize the each word of text, and then we compare with the stop word of the list of stop our custom stop underscore word underscore list. Okay, this is our custom list of stop words, and this is, and then we call our function remove underscore stop underscore words, and then pass our sentence, and then pass our custom list of stop words. And now we run the cell and check whether our function is work or not. Okay, our function will work, our function is working properly. Why properly? Now we check. This is our original sentence, or this is our sentence with the after the removal of stop words. Now we check. She is present in the list, so she is removed. On is present in the list, so it is also removed. D is present in the list, so it is also removed. So this is our new sentence without any stop words according to this list. Thank you very much. See you in the next lecture in the course of Python, in the course of natural language processing with Python.